Ever heard of Raiz? This investing app has been buzzing, but what exactly is it? Is it a unit trust? Let's dive in and find out. Now, you've probably heard of investing. Maybe you've even thought about it. But let's be honest, it can feel intimidating. Where do you even begin? That's where apps like Raiz come in. They promise to make investing simple and accessible, even for complete beginners. But here's the thing, understanding how these apps work is crucial. That's why we're here today to explore whether Raiz is a unit trust. And trust me, it's not as simple as you might think. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a unit trust? In essence, it's a pool of money from multiple investors, managed by a professional fund manager. This fund manager invests the pooled money across various assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Think of it like a buffet. You contribute to the pot, and the fund manager decides what delicious dishes to serve, in this case, investments. You, as an investor, get units in the trust, representing your share of the overall portfolio. Now, let's turn our attention to Raiz. At first glance, it might seem like a unit trust. You invest your money, and Raiz uses it to buy shares in various companies. However, there are some key differences. Firstly, Raiz offers a more automated and personalized approach. You can set up recurring investments, often with small amounts, and Raiz uses sophisticated algorithms to invest your money based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Secondly, Raiz often focuses on fractional shares. This means you can invest in even the most expensive stocks with just a few dollars. This level of accessibility is a major advantage for those starting with small investment amounts. So, while Raiz shares some similarities with unit trusts, it's not exactly the same. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. Management: unit trusts are typically managed by professional fund managers within a structured framework. Raiz utilizes automated algorithms and may offer more personalized investment strategies. Investment options: unit trusts often have a more defined set of assets they invest in. Raiz provides access to a broader range of investments, including individual stocks and ETFs. Accessibility: Raiz excels in accessibility, allowing for micro-investments and fractional shares, making it easier for beginners to start investing. So, to answer the burning question, is Raiz a unit trust? Technically, no. It operates differently in terms of management, investment options, and accessibility. However, Raiz shares some core principles with unit trusts. Both involve pooling funds from multiple investors and aim to generate returns through diversified investments. Before you dive into investing with Raiz or any other platform, it's crucial to do your research. Understand the fees. Raiz typically charges management fees, so ensure you understand the cost implications. Assess your risk tolerance. Raiz may offer different investment portfolios with varying levels of risk. Choose one that aligns with your comfort level and investment goals. Read the fine print. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of the platform before making any investment decisions. While Raiz may not be a traditional unit trust, it offers a unique and accessible way to start investing. By understanding how it works and carefully considering your options, you can make informed decisions about your investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.